Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. This is Vision Weaving. Today's healing energy transmission is for the soul mission, your life purpose, the hero's journey. So if you're feeling like you're ready to align with your soul mission, discover your life purpose, walk the path of the hero's journey, then this healing energy transmission is for you. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. I trust that your guidance has brought you here. All you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. So I'm being called to acknowledge the labyrinth of the mind. This is the mind trying to figure out the way through. This is the mind finding its way through the maze, coming across dead ends, coming across challenges and obstacles and all sorts of resistance in this labyrinth, looking for the way through. The mind trying to figure it out. The mind trying to justify, rationalize, compartmentalize pros and cons. It's this mechanism of control that is trying to see which way you should step forward in your life. But the soul mission, the deeper purpose for you, your life purpose, this knowing is in alignment with your higher self, with your spirit, with your mind, body and spirit, all in alignment. And this soul mission that has been bestowed upon you, which is your birthright, which is unique to you, which involves all of your talents, abilities, skills, experience, education, everything you've ever learned through your life journey, even if it's through challenges, even if it's through heartache, even if it's through pain. These are all lessons in the mystery school of life. It doesn't have to be something that you read in a book. It could be something that you've lived through. So today's healing is about bringing that alignment in, bringing in the awareness of all of those thoughts that want to control and dictate and diagnose and judge, all of the opinions and judgments and expectations of other people that have been projected on you, clearing those away. Take a deep breath, clearing those away. So underneath all of those projections that maybe you've taken on, maybe these confinements have shaped who you are and how you think you need to be and how you think you need to act, how you think you need to relate, your choice of partnerships, your choice of path, your choice of career, all of these things that have shaped you over a lifetime, just letting those go, all of your identification with your personality, your character, all of these things that shape who you are. Just letting all of those go here and now so that you can fine-tune what's in alignment with your soul mission. This is the hero's journey that Joseph Campbell spoke about. This is about finding the way through, navigating, lighting the way, having clarity, feeling the guiding hand at your back and the magnetic pull at your front. This is about confidence in your stride. Because when you're in alignment with your soul mission, when you've realized why you're here, what lights your passion, what lights your fire, what inspires you, what you're curious about, what draws your attention, what you want to investigate, what you want to learn, what you want to understand more deeply. All of these things create a beautiful, energetic presence in your being to hold you and guide you on the way forward. And if you're missing pieces, if you need to get more education, if you need to get more knowledge, if you need to have a deeper understanding, then a blessing here that the way may become clear for you to find that. If there's missing pieces of the puzzle, if you don't have all the parts yet, just not judging yourself for not knowing yet, and allowing yourself the spaciousness and the time to contemplate and reflect and feel into what is true for you. And calling on the pieces of the puzzle so that you have the whole picture. Calling on the missing pieces. And maybe the missing pieces is part of you that was wounded and have fractured and fragmented. Calling on those pieces of you to come home so that you know in your bones what you're here to do, what you're here to complete, what you're here to contribute. And I can pretty much guarantee that your soul mission is going to light you up. It's going to fill your sails. It's going to give you a burst of energy and that strength and that stamina and that courage to keep going when you hit those obstacles, that you will overcome, that you will find the way, because you are in alignment with that soul mission, that life purpose, that hero's journey. If you need to take a beat, step back, rest, recharge, restore until the way becomes clear. But this is part of the journey, right? This is part of the soul mission, allowing yourself the time to rest and restore, allowing yourself the time to be contemplating, listening to the guidance from the universe, listening to the internal guidance so that you know the way forward. And now receiving this infusion of energy from on high, the source of all creation, to enlighten you, to bring clarity, to bring intuition, insight, instinct, to fine-tune your senses, to heighten your senses, so that your awareness is honed, acute, sharpened, crystal clarity. And take a deep breath. Just allow this energy to settle in for the next few days, releasing all expectations. And the way will become clear when the time is right. Yes.